Welcome back, folks. Progress has been made on the Oldsmobile project, installing body panels. Got the brake split and all the rest, so now I can start putting the body on. The doors on, all aligned. This fender is just it was hung there as a test and to get it out of the way partly. Did some painting of parts here, getting ready for it. The driver's door is now hung on there and adjusted. It works fine. The alignment is good enough for me. So it opens and shuts nicely like that. So does the other one. Okay, the current thing I'm working on is this driver's side fender. This is an old repair that had rotted out. There's a patch here that was probably taken from another fender and just scabbed on there. So now I'm going to clean all that stuff up and hopefully reuse that patch again, and then restore these mounting points on here so I can put the fender back on. In general, the fender is good, as can be seen, other than that one spot, which is ugly, I must say, but I think it's fixable, so I'm going to go for that. That's what I'm working on now. Okay, here we are. I cut out most of the bad spots here. Now I'm going to have to piece it back in and get this curve right. There's still some holes here. Maybe some more cutting out to do here. I painted on some of that rust converter that I use to take care of the surface rust and all that. This will probably be wire wheeled off before welding anything, and then I'll be painting on more of it before I cover it all over. Okay, here's the rust treatment that I'm using for this. It's a Loctite brand. I got it from Summit. You can probably get it at the parts store too. And over here I'm working on the rust on the inside. Going to paint that on. Let everything dry good, and then I'll start making pieces to rebuild that fender. Okay, here it is. I painted the stuff on there. It looks milky white. It'll turn black. For a while it'll look purple. And it takes a couple of treatments for this to actually work good. You can get by with just doing it once and then painting over it, but I like to burn it off, you know, with a wire wheel or whatever I have, and do it a second time. And it also works good to get the rust out of the little pores, so you can weld without it popping so bad. So I'm waiting on that to dry now, and then on to the next thing. Please like and subscribe.